Guys, it is official, weekly Wednesdays are coming. I've been planning this for a while, and as you know, a while back I did take about a month break from YouTube. Well, it's been about 2-ish months, I guess. I've kind of put some stuff up in between, but I've actually been kind of working behind the scenes to make a little something called Weekly Wednesdays happen. And essentially what that's going to be is I want to upload one video at 9 AM every Wednesday until the end of the year. I don't know what's going to happen once the clock ticks midnight of 2026. I'll probably disappear again for a bit. But I want to consistently upload a video once a week. Have just a consistent deadline for the first time for the rest of this year. That is my goal. And at the end of that, I want to see if the YouTube algorithm notices me or not. So join me. We'll see what happens, and yeah, should be fun. Alright, see you for the first video in a few days.